Hey guys, I am going to show you how to remove ink from a dryer. Apparently this is a gas dryer, and if you look inside here, let me get the light. If you look inside this dryer, there's ink that has been that's here. Apparently there's a bunch of them, and so I don't want to throw this dryer away, so I'm gonna go ahead and just clean it out. Hopefully it'll be a lot better. Here's what I have. Here's what I have. I got this from Walmart. This is an acetone. It's a nail polish remover. You want to make sure that you use 100% acetone. It also says that it's professional formula. There's another one that is a nail polish remover. This is acetone as well, but it is not 100%. I mean, you can use it, it will work, but it will take a little longer. It's not as strong. So you want to make sure that you use 100% acetone, because apparently it works much easier. So you might want to use your gloves. There's a lot, if you have to work a lot on it, because this will dry up your hands. And so there you go. I soaked it in some acetone, and I'm going to remove it in here. And as you can see, it's coming right off. There you go. You can see a big difference here. See this purple as well? This purple ink, it will just come right off. And you see this purple ink right here, it will come right off once you take it off, see? Just like that. And you see there's a lot of work that needs to be done here in this dryer. It's all over here in this dryer. But nonetheless, if you have an expensive dryer or you don't want to get another dryer, then it might be worth to just use acetone. Maybe just use a big rag and just wipe it all over here. But in this case, that's probably what I might have to do. Maybe buy 3 of these acetone. I think they're like 99 cents each or something like that. But it's well worth it. So hope I helped somebody out. You can see a big difference right there in the how much that's been. You can see how much you can see here if I go close up, the big difference as far as how much acetone that is, how much it worked. And so there you go. All right, I hope that I helped somebody out. Thanks a lot.